girl with a simple dream, and that is to become a real beauty queen. But I do need to, because I'm still young and I am a true beauty queen. Hello there! Kamusta po kayong lahat? My name is Ivy Ann Titanco Suarez. Nagsimula po ako at ipinanganak sa Korea. Bumalik po ako bilang Miss USA dahil nagpangasawa po ako ng isang Amerikano. At ngayon, nagbabalik po bilang si Switzerland. Ngayong gabi, sana po, opo, dito ko na bumahanap ang tunay o kahit hindi man tunay, nasa gitna man na magmamahal para sa akin. Mga minamahal ko pong kapatid, sabi nga po nila, sa bansa ko po nagmula ang pinakamasarap na tsokolate. Isa lamang po ang aking masasabi. Sa Pilipinas po, nagmula ang totoong masarap na tsokolate. At alam niyo po kung ano ito? Goya. Aanahin na po natin ang Cadbury. Toblerone, Goya lang po ang katapat nito. Mga minamahal ko pong kapatid, iboto po ninyo ako. Miss Switzerland, maraming salamat po.
Lahat tayo ay may ginagampan ng karakter. Minsan lumuluha, minsan tumatawa, minsan makulay, minsan pulo ng pag-ibig. Ngunit ngayong gabi, hayaan niyo po, ang karakter na aking gampanan ay ang babae ko koronahan bilang Miss Earth F 2011. My name is Beruska Bautista Sitango, 21 from Pasig City. Researcher and Location Manager ng #1 noontime show, Eat Bulaga, and a part-time astronaut. Favorite color? Crayola. Who is my crush? Plain crush. What make me blush? Blush on by Nichido. My motto, ang pamilyang maraming anak, tsak na tsak, may tatay na manyak. Mula po sa isang nominado para sa New 7 Wonders of the World from Kilimanjaro Mountain, from Tanzania. Again is the one and only, ang babaeng gorgeous and the biggest among competitor tonight, the one and only, Tanzania!
A recycled costume inspired by one of the 26 new wonders of the world, and that is the Black Forest of Germany. Who? Outside, they couldn't get more sick, more correct? Or should I say good morning, people of far and high? Lahat po ng sasabihin ko ay pawang katang isip lang. You know, friends, well, judges, I'm so sick and tired of watching konteseras na paulit-ulit sumasali sa ganitong Nag-Miss F Universe, nag-Miss F Earth, nag-Miss F Universe, di Patani Danyos. But for tonight, I'm your one and only, Corazon Arguelles, 15 años, the smile of Africa. Ganda!
Ang daming nagsabing magaganda sila, amoy niyo yung mic ang baba. Pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Na nagsabog ng kagandahan ng Diyos, isa po ako sa mga nakasapo. At ang iba naman ay natutulog. My name is Karimish Belmonte from US Virgin Island na naniniwala sa kasabihan ang pagiging bakla ay hindi masama kung hindi siya gagawa ng kanyang ikasasama. Maraming salamat.
Is the main attraction. And we believe that aiming high, dreaming high is a proof that we are living. While working hard to fulfill those dreams is an evidence that you have worth. From east to west, north to south, no one can ever compare the beauty that I possess. This is Carla Adriana Fuentes Bautista, and tonight I'm proud to represent the land of hope and glory, Venezuela.
Please welcome your host, Miss Christine Caballero.
There you go. A wondrous evening, Fahrenheit. Talagang full support talaga tayo ngayong gabing ito. And I'm so happy to be a part of this year's search for Miss Earth Fahrenheit. Gusto ko marinig, sino ba yung mga sinusuportahan natin sa mga... for the candidates pag narinig nila yung mga sigawan yung para sa mga girls natin. There you go. Can I have another round of applause for all of our 2011 their beauty and their ingenuity, our delegates, they have put together their creativity and love for Mother Earth by coming up with these fabulous costumes. Ayan o, ang gaganda. Talagang they used all of their imagination. And we are giving a special award to the delegate whose costume best captured the theme of this year's search for Miss Earth Fahrenheit. Nurture nature. Yan. It means that we always have to take care of course, Mother Earth. Those two words simply say it all. It's time we put a stop to human activities that damage the environment, and instead, we should always take care of Mother Earth. Why don't we ask a few of our delegates, bakit yan yung napili nila na costumes? Can I ask you? Tanungin natin ito. Can I see? Ayan, si Miss Mexico, bakit ganyan ang costume?
This costume is inspired from Angel's Fall, Venezuela, from Venezuela. This, what you call that? Shells represents falls.
Falls, ayan. How about you, Miss Malaysia?
Thank you so much. Pinili ko po ang Tansan dahil po marami pong mga bagay na, yes, Tansan. Marami pong Tansan tayo nakikita sa kalye na nakakalat-kalat na lang po. Ngunit sa pamamagitan ng aking isip at aking disiplina, nagawa ko po ang bagay na to upang maging isang magandang costume para sa inyo. Maraming salamat po.
In fairness, di siya halatang Tansan. Ang galing ha. Or okay, I now have the results of the winner of the best and eco-friendly costume. And she is Miss Uganda! Choose the Queen Protector of Mother Earth when Miss Earth Fahrenheit 2012 returns after this video break. Welcome back to Miss Earth Fahrenheit 2011. Miss Earth Fahrenheit is a competition that pays importance to beauty, to intelligence, and active participation to promote environmental awareness. So who shall have all of these excellent qualities that we're talking about? The difficult task of finding out and finding the answer to that question lies, of course, in the hands of our judges. So he's one of the grand finalists in the prestigious male pageant, Fashionissimo. Please welcome Mr. Tyron Favros. She is the official makeup artist of Maalala Mo Kaya, Star Cinema, and TV5. She's the personal makeup artist of ABS-CBN star Julia Montes and Rodjun Cruz. She is the new manager of Miss Kiana Reeves. She studied in Malaysia hair and makeup trends, and she's the owner of Artista Salon and Photo Studio. Let's give a round of applause for Miss Judy Gretchen Teves. She's a USC Fine Arts Interior Design graduate. She went to Tokyo Boca Fashion School in 2006. She owns a store at the clubhouse of the Corinthian Gardens called Gakuya. She is dressing up celebrities such as Kim Chu, Vanessa Ricks, Bernie Varga, Nina, and Miss Alice Dixon in her TV5 program Glamorosa. She designed and created the gown worn by Philippine Representative Brenna Gamboa in the Miss World Supermodel in Fiji that made her win Best in Long Gown. A round of applause for Miss Kim Gan. Our next judge is a successful businesswoman. She is 60 years old and proud of it, and I am looking at her right now and I don't think it shows. Let's give a round of applause for Miss Laura Chua.